Hi to everybody. In this video I'm going to tell you about finance section, which allows you to check your spendings and refill your balance. We click finance. Here we can see spendings and refill subsections. Let's start with spendings. Here you can see the sections general statistics, traffic audit, and audit Google AdWords. Let's start with general statistics. Here you can see a table showing the detailed spendings and refills on AdWords spending and audit spending and total spending. There is also a date column which can show you the date on which you have made the refill and the information about the spendings. In this column you can choose the period of time which you can check when the refills or spendings were made. This column means how many records in the table you would like to see. You can choose 10 records, 25, 50 or 100 records. And this column shows us that you can add here a date, and the table will show you only one date in which the operations were carried out. For example, let's put the date of this one, and the table shows only operation fulfilled on this date. Below we can see the total statistics on refills and spendings. So you can see here total refill, total spending AdWords, total spending audit, and here is the spending in percents. Blue color is spending AdWords and black color is spending audit. The same table you can check in traffic audit, which can show you the separate operations concerning traffic audit and audit Google AdWords. So this is what I would like to tell you about spendings. And let's go to refill section. And here you can see the information about your balance. This is the general balance. This is the total balance, which is now 41.28 euro. Also we can see traffic audit balance and Google AdWords audit balance and promo code. If you have a promo code, you can put it in here and click add. There are two ways of payment. It means two ways to refill your balance, which is Visa or MasterCard and PayPal. So to refill your balance you need to put in a sum and click Visa or MasterCard payment and or PayPal. After you put in this sum, you click any of these buttons and you go to the page which offers you to fill in the information about your card or about your PayPal account. To refill traffic audit balance, you need also to put in a sum, but this you need to put in the sum which doesn't exceed the total balance, because you can refill your traffic audit balance or Google audit balance only from your total balance, or AdWords audit balance. The same is with Google AdWords audit balance. The main thing to consider here is that you shouldn't put in any amount or sum you want to refill which doesn't exceed your total balance. So that's what I would like to tell you about the finance section. Thank you again for attention and good luck.